Good morning, my dear children. So, welcome to today's maths class, chapter 4, lines and angles. So, children, in continuation to the previous video, let us solve today few more sums from the same exercise, exercise 4.4. So, let us move to the first sum, children. Find the values of x and y for which the lines AD and BC becomes parallel. So let us see what they have given in the question. Line AD and line BC, these two lines are parallel. They have given. So you have to find out the value of x and y. Okay. So let us move to the solution, children. So what they have given in the question, line AD is parallel to line BC. Okay. Now, as line AD is parallel to line BC, let us consider AC as a transversal. Okay. Now, you observe here, children. Here x minus y. Here also it will become x minus y. What is the reason? Alternate interior angles. Isn't it? So, you can write like this. What? DAC is equal to angle C. So, reason is alternate exterior angles. Now, again you observe the figure here, children. These two lines are intersecting at a point A. See, you observe the figure here. These two lines are intersecting at a point A. Then, 30 degrees is equal to x minus y degrees. These two. Because they are vertically opposite angles. Reason is vertically opposite angles. So let us consider, now let us transpose y to the either side. Then what you will get? X is equal to 30 plus y. So let us consider that as equation 1. So children, again you observe the figure here. This here AD and BC are parallel lines. AD and BC are parallel lines. Now let us consider AB as a transversal. This as a transversal. Again what you observe here? This angle is equal to this angle. Here what is there? 5y is equal to 2x. What is the reason there, children? Alternate interior angles. So 5y is equal to 2x. Alternate interior angles. Let us consider that as equation 2. So let us substitute value of x in equation 2. What we got? X value, x is equal to 30 plus y. In before case we got, isn't it? So let us substitute 5y is equal to 2 into, in place of x we can write it as 30 plus y. So 5y is equal to 2 into 30 means 60 plus 2 into y is 2y. Now let us transpose 2y to the left hand side. Then what you will get? 5y minus 2y is equal to 60. So 5y minus 2y is how much, children? 3y. 3y is equal to 60. Now let us transpose 3 to the either side. Then what you will get? Y is equal to 60 by 3. Now let us cancel here. 3 20s are 60. So the value of y is equal to 20 degrees. Now you got y value has 20 degrees, no children? Now let us substitute this value of y in equation 2. What is equation 2? 2x is equal to 5y. So 2x is equal to 5 into, in place of y we can write 20. So 2x is equal to 5 into 20. Now we have to find out the value of x. So let us transpose 2 to the either side. Then what you will get? X is equal to 5 into 20 by 2. Now let us cancel 20 and 2 with 2 table. 2 ones are 2 tens are 20. So the value of x is equal to 5 into 10 is 50 degrees. So children, the measure of x is equal to 50 degrees. The value of y is equal to 20 degrees. Okay children, let us move to the second sum here. What they have given in the given figure, segments shown by arrowheads are parallel. Find the values of x and y. So what they have given in the question children, here the line segments shown by arrowheads are these two are parallel lines. These two are parallel lines. We have to find out the value of x and y, x degrees and y degrees. Okay children, let's move to the solution. So from the figure, you observe the figure here children. We have considered these two lines as a parallel lines. Okay, and this has a transversal. Then what you can do, see children, here x is equal to 30 degrees. X is equal to 30 degrees. Isn't it? Reason what children? Alternate interior angles. So we got value of x as 30 degrees. Now you have to find out the value of y. You observe the second figure here children. Here I have considered this as a triangle like this, and this is a line produced like this. So this angle is an exterior angle. Okay, so we can use here exterior angle property to find out the value of y. So here what we can, these two are the, y is an exterior angle and 45 degrees and x degrees are opposite interior angles. So according to the exterior angle property, y degrees is equal to x plus 45 degrees. X plus 45 degrees is equal to y degrees. Now let us in the place of x value how much you got children? 30 degrees, isn't it? So 30 degrees plus 45 degrees is equal to y degrees. 30 degrees plus 45 is 75 degrees. So the value of y is equal to 75 degrees. So children, the value of x how much you got as 30 degrees and value of y is equal to 75 degrees. Let us move to the last sum children. So what they have given, in the given figure, sides QP and RQ of triangle PQR are produced to points S and T respectively. If angle SPR is equal to 135 degrees and angle PQT is equal to 110 degrees, so you have to find out the value of angle PRQ. So what they have given in the question children, say PQR is a triangle and here QP is produced to a point S. Okay, then RQ is produced to a point T. So here PQT is equal to 110 degrees they have given and RPS they have given it as 135 degrees. You have to find out the value of R, means PRQ. This angle you have to find it out children. So children, let us move to the solution. So what they have given in the figure children, SPR is equal to 135 degrees and PQT is equal to 110 degrees. So you observe the figure here children. Here SQ is a ray stands on a straight line RT. So what do you observe here children? Sum of adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. What is the reason there children? Linear pair. So how you will write children here? SQT plus SQR is equal to 180 degrees. Linear pair. So SQT is how much here? 110 degrees plus SQR is equal to 180 degrees. So you have to find out the angle of SQR. So let us transpose 110 to the right hand side. Then what you will get children? SQR is equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. So angle SQR is equal to 70 degrees. 180 minus 110 is 70 degrees. So children, now again look at the figure here. Here what we consider here, PR is a ray, stands on a straight line SQ. We are considering now PR ray stands on a straight line SQ. So here also the same region children. Sum of adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. So what is the reason there children? Linear pair, isn't it? So let us write like this. SPR plus angle RPQ is equal to 180 degrees, linear pair. Okay. So SPR is how much children? 135 degrees plus angle RPQ is equal to 180 degrees. Now let us transpose. Now you have to find out the value of RPQ. So let us transpose 135 degrees to the right hand side. So angle RPQ is equal to 180 degrees minus 135 degrees. So angle RPQ is equal to 180 degrees minus 135 degrees is how much children? 45 degrees. So this angle you got it as 45 degrees. And this angle you got it as 70 degrees. Okay, again look at the same figure children, but here we are considering PQR as a triangle. See this blue marking what I have given here. PQR is a triangle and they have asked us to find out PRQ, means this angle they asked us to find it out. So in before two cases we got this angle as 70 degrees, isn't it? Means PQR, angle Q we got it as 70 degrees and this angle P we got it as 45 degrees. So to find out this angle, let us use sum property. Sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. So now in triangle PQR, RPQ plus PQR plus PRQ is equal to 180 degrees. So the reason there is sum property children. So RPQ, this how much you got here? 45 degrees plus PQR, angle Q you got it as 70 degrees plus PRQ, this angle we have to find, which is equal to 180 degrees. So 45 plus 70 degrees is how much children? 150 degrees plus angle PRQ is equal to 180 degrees. So to find out the angle of PRQ, let us transpose 115 degrees to the right hand side. So angle PRQ is equal to 180 degrees minus 150 degrees. So angle PRQ is equal to 180 minus 115 is how much children? 65 degrees. So PRQ is equal to 65 degrees. So children, I hope so you have understood the sums which I have explained today. I rewatch the video one more time for better understanding. Okay children, and complete these three sums, same sums as assignment. Thank you and have a good day.